As we have learned how to make a basic robot, now we will move one step ahead, how to make a DTMF control robot. So you can see this is a DTMF decoder. Okay, we are using 8870 IC over there. All just we need to do is to attach this board over this board. Okay, so there is a screw provided over here. See, it should be like this. From above top, then the spacer, and then place it over here. This one, this part, like this, and then attach a nut over here. Okay, so just make it tight with the help of screw. So you can see we have connected a DTMF decoder over the top plate of your robot. Now only the connection need to be made. As you can see, these are the 5 data pins, okay, which has been provided with the help of microcontrollers. So there should be connection between 2 boards. As we know, the first set is for data, second is for VCC, and third for ground. So just connect these 3 pins. See, 3 pins, starting 3 pin from there, starting 3 pin. Okay, now next, the rest of the 2 pins connected to the another rest of the 2 pins. Now the only connection which is required between these 2 boards is of VCC and ground. As we know, this is for VCC and the last one is for ground. So we will be attaching like this. Okay, see, so my yellow one is for VCC and black one is for ground. So that should go into this one. See, the upper one is for VCC and the lower one is for ground. So if I select this one as VCC, so black one should go to the ground. Always connect VCC and ground with the help of the microcontroller, not from external. Okay, and it should be of 5 volt. Okay, now then connect this wire to this TP. Connect this wire to this connector. Okay, so for that, consider these 2 wires. White one is for line and black one is for ground. So place it over here like this. Okay, see, okay, so wire is connected. Now this wire goes to your mobile, Android mobile. Okay, see, like this. There is a DTMF 2 generator software being installed in your mobile. So with the help of this, you would be giving command. That command would be decoded by my DTMF decoder, and that signal would be given to microcontroller, and depending upon that signal, my robot would be functioning according to that. Okay, so this is how we make DTMF control robot. Okay, thanks for joining us. Okay.